Canberra for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Thursday, February 21st. The Bank of Canada still seems to be concerned about consumer debt and rising levels of consumer debt, even in the midst of our slowing economy and basically the slowdown that's occurred. The Bank of Canada is still warning that if they see consumer debt rising, it is going to force their hand in increasing interest rates. These were the words basically of Timothy Lane in a speech recently, and he basically alluded to the fact that interest rates will have to move upward, and the Bank of Canada is steadily monitoring the situation. And he did cite that even though house prices and growth have slowed down and new construction has moderated and other things have happened, that household debt for a period there looked like it was slowing, but in December definitely household debt started increasing again. Now I might be thinking it could be related to Christmas and other things, but we'll see how January numbers come out and how everything moves forward. And the fact is that the Bank of Canada is caught really in a tough spot, because the economy is pretty weak right now. For them to suddenly start increasing rates would put a lot of pressure on it. And the housing market basically is a big driver of the economy in overall. And right now, especially where we are in like British Columbia and different regions, it is definitely slower. There is pockets that are certainly doing okay, but in certain provinces it is weak. And the Bank of Canada would be hard pressed at this point to suddenly start increasing it. Now, the good news is that property investors, it means that the prospects, are likely that interest rates are going to remain low for some time. So basically for an investor, it's a great opportunity to be looking at some buys out there. I know in our market in Victoria, there is definitely investors out looking for bargains and looking for good rental properties. What remains in the future, as I always tell you, I'm not sure. Nobody seems to know clearly. However, it looks like the current rate climate we're in is going to stay for some time, unless, of course, household debt keeps growing and growing and growing. And as mentioned to you in a previous Mortgage Minute, the amount of unsecured debt has definitely grown in the last few months, and even though there was a small curving of it for a while, it seems like it's picked up a healthy appetite again. Anyways, time will tell, and again, if you need anything mortgage-wise, don't hesitate. Give us a call here at the Auxilium team. It's Cam the Mortgage Man. You've got a question, you need to just ask a general inquiry. Hey, email me, call me, whatever. Be happy to help you out. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow on Friday.